PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, this is James Spann. You've clicked on to the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday morning, the 14th of May. Increasing moisture, increasing rain chances. The story for Alabama. Let's take a look out the window this morning at some Skycam images. We'll begin with a look at the view coming from Tuscaloosa. Looking down on the intersection of Greensboro Avenue and University Boulevard. Nice and quiet this morning. The Coleman Skycam. Looking back off to the west there from the top of the water treatment facility east of town. And way down south, there's our Gulf Shores camera looking off to the west, right down Beach Boulevard. The water vapor satellite imagery this morning, the upper level low is centered over the southwest United States. Big storms flaring in advance of that over Texas, where we have a severe thunderstorm watch up. Those big storms will be coming out of the hill country, moving over toward Austin and College Station, and that box goes until 10 o'clock this morning. During the day today, got a slight risk of severe weather over much of eastern Texas, all of Louisiana, parts of southwest Mississippi, and South Arkansas. And we'll be watching convective developments over there carefully. Around here, we don't expect any severe weather today. Now, tomorrow, there is a slight risk for all of Alabama and all of Mississippi, really all the way from Corpus Christi to Atlanta. And we'll take a look at some specifics on that in just a moment. And finally, the QPF graphic. And this is suggesting rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches between now and Sunday evening. Should be a pretty good rain producer tomorrow. This is where we are today. The upper level low is out there near El Paso with the little vortex coming from that over Vicksburg. And really, the GFS is hinting that the better chance of organized showers and storms today will stay west of here, and that sounds good. And I think we better mention at least the chance of scattered showers and maybe a thunderstorm with warm air advection going on. But it will not rain all day, that's for sure. Tomorrow will be the wettest day. The trough kind of splits. A part of it lifts northeast, a part of it hangs back. And as the part lifts out to the northeast, that will mean increasing dynamics here and a good chance of showers and storms. And I don't have the specific graphics pulled up this morning, but I'll just say that the instability values are just not that overwhelming. The surface-based capes are now only about 500 to 1,000 joules, and the helicity is under 200. So, again, I don't think it'll be a super big severe weather day. There could be some strong to severe storms, but I just don't think it'll be a major issue, and that's a good thing. We've sure had enough of that this year. But again, some pretty good rains are likely from that, maybe a few heavier downpours. And then Friday, you can see the trough that is north of us lifting northeast away from us, and the trough that's hanging back is kind of retrograding, go back into the southwest. So we'll take a look at the surface, and this is suggesting Friday the better chance of showers shifting down to the south, over South Alabama, south of Montgomery. And I really think much of the day Friday will be dry. We'll mention a lingering shower early in the day, but I don't think rain will be a big problem. And then Saturday, starting off the weekend, we've got kind of a vortex setting up over eastern Canada. Around here, we have very dry air. Should be a beautiful day, sunny and comfortable. Sunday, the trough continues over the eastern U.S., and at the surface, a little energy tries to rotate down the backside of that thing, and you can see maybe some hint of a little scattered light rain. But again, we're not going to mention that in our forecast right now. We'll just say partly sunny on Sunday. Highs for the weekend should be in the mid to upper 70s. That is below average for that part of May. Monday of next week looks dry. And then Tuesday, a little cold front slips in here with the possibility of showers. That does not look like a major rain producer. And then Wednesday of next week, another dry air mass. We note the disturbance up north. And Thursday of next week, that brings a cold front through here with a chance of showers and maybe a thunderstorm. But again, that doesn't look like a big severe weather problem. Let's go deeper into May. 4 more days, May the 26th. And boy, you talk about model madness. I mean, the GFS flips and flops here. On one run, you've got a ridge and hot weather showing up, and now we've got the trough back in there. I mean, it literally goes from run to run, alternating trough and ridge. This is the trough solution, and that would suggest cooler than normal weather here. And then at the end of the cycle on the 29th, still, it got a vortex over Michigan with an eastern trough, and that suggests temperatures will be below average. But again, obviously with model inconsistency, there's not a whole lot of confidence in any specific solution out there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 this afternoon. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.